So for demonstration purposes only, because you really wouldn't normally mix your Aquila with your pine, we're going to stop building the deck there, and we're just going to show you how you could treat your starting board or your finishing board, which is effectively being installed on the perimeter joist. So what we have here is the perimeter joist, runs all the way along. We want to put our starting board on top of that. So we'll do that, and we can see a fastener will quite easily sit in here, but we can't install one on the joist here. Now because the Sharkstooth is designed to create that ventilation gap, and the board is sitting on top of the shoulder, we've got a 1mm raise on this side. We want to account for that, so we'll level the board up. To do that, we're going to use typical building paper, various sorts. This one's plastic, but it works well. It's about 1mm thickness. It will make up for the thickness of the Sharkstooth. We're just going to install that all the way down this perimeter board. We did the same when we started the deck on the other side. We ran it all the way along the original perimeter joist that's up against the house, and we installed it all the way along there. Now to do that, we'll just lay it out, and we'll use a staple gun. Once we've done that, we'll have a level surface that we can lay the board on, and once we've put the Sharkstooth underneath it, that board will become level.
So I'm just going to mark the board ready for drill the holes with the countersink screws. I've already marked the board.
So in keeping with the stainless steel fastener and the stainless steel nail, we prefer and recommend that you use a stainless steel screw when installing your perimeter boards. That's snugged down quite nicely. I'm just going to work my way along, installing one screw and a countersunk hole in every joist. This will give us a nice firm board to start with. There we have it, there's the last one. Board's ready to go. We're now ready to accept our fastener on the opposite side on the perpendicular joists.